Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope that you will be fine. And today we are going to discuss one of the major uh, political issue of Pakistan. Initially, Pakistan faced a lot of problem in this category. So Pakistan came into existence on 14th of August 1947, and at that time we had so many problems as a newly born country. Initial problems were there: larger influx of refugees, migrants, canal water issue, accession of princely estates, and Indo-Pak war, constitutional crisis, linguistic issues, regionalism, and so many other problems were there. So it was difficult for the government of Pakistan to focus on the constitutional development of Pakistan. So it was decided by Indian government and Pakistani government that initially they will use Indian Act 1935 as the provisional constitution of Pakistan and India as well. So we amended Indian Act 1935 and we gave the name objective resolution. Objective resolution was not a complete constitution, but it was the basic guideline for framing future constitution of Pakistan. So after 9 years we were successful to make any constitution. So objective resolution was adopted by the Constituent Assembly of Pakistan on March 12th, 1949. Prime Minister at that time was Liaquat Ali Khan, and he presented in the assembly on March 7, 1949. After the death of Qaid-e-Azam, Liaquat Ali Khan, as a Prime Minister of Pakistan, tried hard to lead the nation in a proper way, but unfortunately in 1951 he was assassinated. So after 9 years of efforts, Pakistan was successful in framing constitution. The era was Iskandar Mirza's era. He was the Governor General of Pakistan at that time, and with this constitution, with the enforcement of this constitution, his designation was changed, and it was the given name president. Right now, we will have presidents in Pakistan, not the Governor General. So Constituent Assembly adopted it on 29th February 1956, and it was enforced on 23rd March 1956, proclaiming Pakistan to be an Islamic republic. Constitution 1962. The Constitution of 1962 was the fundamental law of Islamic Republic of Pakistan from 8 June 1962 until the martial law was declared on 25 March 1969. Almost a decade, Ayub Khan ruled over the country. It was abrogated on 25th March 1969 by President Yahya Khan, and martial law imposed in the country. The constitution, the next and third constitution, which is still in force, the Constitution of Islamic Republic of Pakistan, also known as the 1973 Constitution. It is the supreme law of Pakistan, drafted by the government of Zulfikar Ali Bhutto with additional assistance from the country's opposition parties. It was approved by the Parliament on 10th April and ratified on 14th of August 1973. Keep in mind that this constitution is still enforced in Pakistan, having 23 amendments, and this constitution was more Islamic in nature as compared to other constitutions of Pakistan. So dear all, if you like this video, please like my channel as well, and